this is where the process starts. Right now they're pulling orders from our order management system. I'm pulling up the tickets and spooling them to our 2 Xerox printers here. So then they come out, the sheets of tickets come out here. We should have something here, I think. There we go. And then here we have perforation machines for the tear-off stubs on the tickets. And so it's kind of a manual process. There's basically wheels with the little perforating blades on it. And so they get fed through. And then we have 2 different ways to cut the tickets down to the ticket size. We have these 2 guillotine cutters, and those are more for our custom sizes, where basically you are just putting it back there and whacking. We have not lost any fingers yet.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. Basically, it feeds the sheets like this through, and then it perforates them and then cuts them, slits them basically. So then in these little bins, you get the each little individual ticket. And they sort them, bind the tickets, and put them in the boxes to ship. And then we use UPS, and they get them processed and ready to go out the door.